How to remove blackheads on your nose. Blackheads are small, black bumps inside the pores of your skin that occur when your hair follicles get clogged. They appear black due to oxidation, which happens when your pores become clogged with dirt and sebum and then are exposed to air. Using home remedies. 1. Wash and steam your face before you use a home remedy. Facial steam will help open your pores, so it's easier to remove your blackheads with a home remedy. To steam your face, you should gather together a large bowl, water, and a clean towel. Boil the water. Let it cool, and then pour it into the bowl. Lean over the bowl and cover your head with the towel to trap the steam over your face. Steam your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Be careful not to get too close to the steam to prevent burning your skin. Rinse your face with warm water and pat it dry. Repeat the facial steam several times a week before you apply a facial scrub. 2. Make an oatmeal scrub. The combination of oatmeal, lemon juice and yogurt works well to keep your skin free of blackheads. Mix together 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt and the juice of half a lemon. Apply the paste to your nose, leave it on for a few minutes, and rinse it off with warm water. You can also make an oatmeal scrub with honey and tomatoes. Mix 1 teaspoon honey with the juice of 4 tomatoes and several tablespoons of oatmeal. Apply the paste to your nose and leave it on for 10 minutes. Wash it off with warm water. Repeat this scrub regularly, at least once a week. 3. Apply a sugar scrub. If possible, use jojoba oil for the sugar scrub, as it is the oil that most closely mimics your skin's sebum. The sebum is an oily substance produced by your body to prevent your skin from drying out. If you don't have access to jojoba oil, use other oils like grapeseed, olive, and sweet almond as substitutes. Mix 4 tablespoons of oil into 1 cup of brown or white sugar in an airtight glass jar. Stir until it is mixed well. Wet your face and then scoop some of the scrub onto your fingertips. Massage it over your nose and face in a circular motion. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse your face with warm water. Apply this scrub no more than 2 to 3 times a week to avoid drying out or irritating your skin. Store the scrub in an airtight jar in a cool, dark place for up to 2 months. 4. Use a clay mask. For a good clay mask, use bentonite clay, which can be purchased online and at many health food stores. Bentonite clay is rich in minerals and has been used for centuries to treat a number of ailments, mainly skin-related issues. When you apply a clay mask, your skin gets to drink in these minerals while the clay draws out the blackheads. Mix 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay with water or apple cider vinegar. It should form a paste that is thick but still easy to apply. Use your fingertips to cover your nose in a thin layer of paste. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how long you are letting it dry. The mask will make it feel like your face is tightening as it dries. Some people find clay masks dry or irritate their skin if left on for too long, especially if they already have dry skin. Adjust the drying time of the mask based on your skin type. Rinse the mask off with warm water and apply moisturizer to your nose. Apply the clay mask on a regular basis to your nose, at least once a week, to see results. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.